Hello friends, welcome back. Is your CTC 3.36 LP? If yes, then this video is for you only. How much in-hand salary will you get in TCS? Effect of work from home on in-hand salary. What are different deduction from our salary? Is there any increase in health insurance scheme premium in 2020? You will get answer to all these type of questions in this video. So please watch this video till end. First of all, earning area current. These are three different things. Earnings. In first column, there are different type of things under which you get the amount. Basic salary, house rent allowance, leave travel allowance, personal allowance, miscellaneous, city allowance, night shift allowance, performance pay. Now, arrears. Arrears is the amount that is pending from the previous month or previous months. Current is the amount for the present month or the current month. So first of all, basic salary. If your package is 3.36 LPA in TCS, then your basic salary will be 10,200 rupees. House rent allowance will be 4,080 rupees. Leave travel allowance will be 850 rupees. Personal allowance will be 7,570 rupees. Miscellaneous may be variable. I will explain in next slide. City allowance will be 600 rupees. Night shift allowance will be 360 rupees per night. And if you do 20 night shift, then you are going to get 7,200 rupees. You may simply multiply the number of days you have done the night shift by 360 rupees. Performance pay is 1,700 for everyone, and city allowance may also depend on the city in which you are working. So total earning will be current plus a year, and here's the amount: 35,451 rupees. I have done night shift, and amount for night shift is 7,560 rupees. So now deductions. There are generally two deductions. Provident fund. This is 1,224 rupees for everyone if package is 3.36 LPA. In that case, this is for everyone. HIS premium 1,888 rupees. Now total deduction comes to 3,112 rupees. Now your net pay will be total earning minus total deduction. Very simple. Miscellaneous breakup. First of all, national holiday adjustment. So guys, you will get this amount of 591 rupees only if you have done any shift on national holiday. And there are only 3 national holidays that are considered to pay this amount: 26 January, 15 August and 2nd October. Other holidays are never considered to pay this amount. Quarterly performance pay bonus. It is 1,800 rupees for everyone, and this amount comes after every 3 months. Now food card adjustment. Basically, this is given to you in salary if you have not received your food card or you have not applied for your food card. And if you have food card, then this amount will be credited to your food card, and you will not receive this amount in miscellaneous. So I have total miscellaneous in this month 2,891. But the thing to be noted is that I have quarterly performance pay bonus and national holiday adjustment and food card, and this component may be zero also. Like if this is not the month in which you have to get quarterly performance pay, and you have not done any national holiday and shift on national holiday, and you also have food card, then this amount is going to be credited in food card. So your miscellaneous is going to be zero. Now net pay total that I am going to get is 34,227 rupees. if HIS is deducted in that month, and HIS, as I have already shown you, it is 1,888 rupees. So net pay is 32,339 rupees. Net pay without quarterly performance pay bonus. If you are not getting quarterly performance bonus, then net pay will be 30,539 rupees. But guys, net pay generally, your net pay generally will be 24,276 rupees. In this net pay, I have considered that you are neither getting deducted your HIS, you are neither getting any night shift allowance. In that case, your net pay will be 24,276 rupees, and in this I have included 500 miscellaneous rupees. That is your food card adjustment. So this is going to be your salary in most of the months. So I hope you have understood the basic concept. And guys, one more thing, if you have any doubt is still pending, then you can comment. I will definitely answer your query. And nowadays TCS is also giving internet charges, as most of us are working from home, and this amount is 410 rupees for everyone. Now, effect of work from home on in-hand salary. Guys, what's happening nowadays? We generally get a number of type of claims, like as I have told you that night shift allowance is 360 rupees, but additionally we get 100 rupees if we are not using the transport facility of TCS. Then additionally per day we are getting 100 rupees, and as we are working from home, so it simply means that we are not getting those 100 rupees per day. Now if you work on weekend, then you get 150 rupees each day. You are also not going to get this amount, and this amount you don't get in salary. You can claim from Ultimatics, and you generally get 3-4 days after claiming this amount in your bank account. Now, is there any increase in health insurance scheme premium in 2020? Yes guys, there is increase. Before 2020 this premium was just 1400 something, but now this amount has increased to 1888 rupees. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope I have cleared all doubt related to salary, and still if you have any doubt you can comment. I will answer to your query. Thanks guys.